Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll find the exact value of this trig expression. So the first step is to analyze this given trigonometry expression. This trig expression is made up of four terms which are being multiplied to each other. So the first term is tan square pi over 3 times cos square pi over 4 times secant square pi over 4 times sine square pi over 2. And all of these trig ratios have a square on them. Now the first main observation here is that the secant ratio is a reciprocal ratio. The other three ratios are the primary ratios. So the first step here is to convert this reciprocal ratio into its corresponding primary ratio. So our first step will be to change secant into cosine because secant is the reciprocal ratio for cosine. So we'll start with tan square pi over 3 times cos square pi over 4 and then times 1 over cos square pi over 4 and then times sine square pi over 2. We can simplify this expression. 1 over cos square pi over 4 is a fraction. In the other terms, the denominators are 1. So when we multiply these fractions, we multiply the numerator terms and we multiply the denominator terms. So we get tan square pi over 3 times cos square pi over 4 times sine square pi over 2 over cos square pi over 4. So now we can cancel out the cos square pi over 4 in the numerator and denominator. So that's the advantage of changing the secant ratio into its corresponding primary ratio. So we are left with just tan square pi over 3 times sine square pi over 2. Now we can find the exact value of tan pi over 3. Pi over 3 is a special angle. So if we are not allowed to use a calculator, we can use the special triangle for pi over 3. So I can show it to you on the board. So the special triangle for pi over 3 will look something like this. So this is pi over 3. And then there's a right angle triangle. And the side lengths can be labeled as 1, square root of 3, and 2. Formula for tan is opposite over adjacent. So that's the formula from SOHCAHTOA. So if we use this formula for this triangle, so for pi over 3, we get square root of 3 over 1, which can be reduced to just square root of 3. So we can sub in this value in this expression. So since there's a square on tan, so we'll get square root of 3 and with a square on it. Now we know sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. So you can figure that out from the unit circle or from the graph of sine function, or if you're allowed to use a calculator, you can use that. So sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. So we'll put a square on it. So now we just have to simplify this expression. The square of square root 3 will be equal to just 3 because the square root and the square cancel each other out. So we get 3 times and 1 square is equal to just 1. So the final answer is just 3. So that means the exact value of this given expression is equal to 3. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.